Hi, Mike from bookup.com. Today's concept is called what gets measured gets managed and therefore improved. So I'll start with a riddle. What if I put two chess students in front of you? They can be of any strength. But your job was to figure out which student knows more about his opening. They could play exactly the same opening for this case if you want. And you could ask them. One would say, well, I've memorized 35 Grandmaster games. The other one could say, well, I've memorized 300 lines. How do you know? Maybe they memorized them, maybe they didn't. So, to give you an idea of how bad a way that is to figure it out, when I sell a copy of Chess Openings Wizard for Express or Macintosh or Professional, I will usually send an email asking them, challenging them to do this. Open up a blank ebook with nothing in it and spend a few minutes or an hour putting in everything you know, like rock solid know that you know in the opening, that you're willing to play without any hesitation against any strength of opponent. And, here's the rub. Before you do this, your job is to guess how many positions you know. Not games, not lines, how many positions you know. Here's what happens. Spoiler alert. Most players will say that they know between 400 and 600 positions. And then they actually do the exercise, and those that get back to me anyway will admit that on average they know between about 140 to 180 positions. And that seems to be about the range where most class players kind of stop effectively studying openings. They may still study, but they don't remember that many more. So, what if I could jump you from where they really are? Let's be a little bit generous. Let's say you know 200 positions rock solid, but I could add another 300 magically to your repertoire. How much stronger do you think that would make you? A little bit stronger? A lot stronger in the opening? I want to tell you it would make you way, way stronger in the opening, and here's why. The 200 positions that you know, rock solid, is the core. You're playing them over and over again if you're playing them online or against other players in tournaments. If I could magically add 300 more positions to that 200, I'm adding them to the leaf nodes of your trees of analysis. You're going deeper in every line, in every direction, a huge amount. And that will make you formidable in the opening. So if I could magically give you the 300 positions, but here's the magic, it still takes work. So here's what I challenge you to do. Add just one position a day. After a year, 365 days, you're probably going to skip a few days and you'll end up with that 300 additional positions that you know rock solid. And that will make you formidable in the opening. If you will commit to that, you'll be thanking me in a year. So, of course, I'm going to recommend a power tool like Chess Openings Wizard, Express, or Professional. Here I've got a complete repertoire for White in the London system, our most popular ebook. And I want to know how many positions I would know if I understood or could remember this entire ebook using the Training Wizard or what have you, or using the tip of the day that you got last time. So I go to the File menu, select About this ebook, and it tells me there are 10,896 positions in this ebook. Compare that to the few hundred most class players know. If I knew 10,000 positions in this opening, I would be an expert in this opening and probably an expert over the board. So, how do I gamify it? Well, here's what I've done. I have created a brand new ebook, and then I did the challenge. I started the challenge anyway, putting in the first few moves I knew of the London system. And when I go here, File About this ebook, you can't read that on this video, but it says positions 12. I have a long way to go. So that's it. It's just gamifying it, making a pact with me, with yourself, with your coach, that you will add just one, and I know you'll do more than one, but just one new position each day. A year from now, you'll be thanking me. Got questions? Shoot me an email, or I'll talk to you later.